Welcome, student. St. Wilfrid College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. Myself, Anjali Patel. Today, we are going to discuss about synonyms and antonyms and homonyms. Let's start. First, we are going to discuss about what is synonym. So, a synonym is a word that has the meaning or nearly the same meaning as another word. Example, cold and chilly. So here you can see cold and chilly. So Susie's feet were cold, so she put on her slippers. And second example, Susie's feet were chilly, so she put on her slipper. So these both words are synonyms. Now, what is antonym? An antonym is a word opposite in meaning to another word. Example, short and tall. The person on the left is short and the person on the right is tall. So that is called as antonym. So we discuss what is synonyms and what is antonym. Now we are moving on. What is homonym? So a homonym is a word that is the same as another in sound or spelling but different in meaning. Example, ant and aunt. So an ant is an insect and aunt is the sister of your mother or father. Okay, so that is called is homonym. Homonym means what? Homonym is a word that is the same as another in sound and or spelling but different in meaning. So let's review. Nice and kind are what? Happy and sad are what? By are what? Quiet and loud are what? Two and two are what? Fast and quick are what? So you have to find out the question of these questions. So you have to take the screenshot of this slide and after some time you have to give me the answer. So nice and kind are synonyms. Happy and sad are antonym. By are homonyms. Quiet and loud are antonym. Two and two are homonyms. Fast and quick are and synonyms. Okay. So in that way we revise our synonym, antonym and homonym. Okay. So synonyms means different meanings. Synonyms mean same meaning. Antonyms mean different meaning. And homonyms mean different meaning, but pronunciation is same. Okay. Now here is the one other exercise. So this is some word and you have to find out the synonym for these words. To begin. To begin के लिए synonyms कौन सा है? To start. Usually, normally. Terrible, awful. Missing, lost. Great, fantastic. Rubbish, garbage. Coach, sofa. Almost, nearly. To answer, to reply. Away, absent. So, okay. Now see, missing, lost. Coach, sofa. To begin, to start. Terrible, awful. Usually, normally. Now here is the also one exercise for you students. This bold one is the answer of this question. What looks like a convenient shortcut may prove to be very inconvenient in the long run. So here you have to fill up the right word. So here is the inconvenient is the right answer of this question. No one wants to listen to a ignorant man, but everybody listen to a wise man. Gold in a expensive metal, while iron is a cheap. May application was accepted, but his was rejected. The teacher tried to make the student confident, but he still looked very difficult. Now, our second exercise. He failed to qualify in the first two attempts, but succeeded in the third one. He often visits me, but I seldom go to his house. He is a brave, but his brother is a timid. So here you can see brave opposite timid. In that way, you have to fill up the right answer. An airplane consumes more fuel while ascending than while descending. Tigers are very common in Kerala, but lions are rare. So here is also one antonym like common and rare. Now here you can also see the dash condition of the country is not very good. So the economic condition of the country is not very good. He was without any dash of the man of his age. So you have to find out the right answer. Don't be rude to her. She is very sensitive or sensible. It was not a sensitive or sensible thing to do. The policeman dashed the streets at the night. Petrol or patrol. Oxygen has no order or order at all. So now we are going to discuss about the answer of this question. Like the economic condition of the country is not very good. He was without any vice of the man of his age. Don't be rude to her. She is very sensitive. It was not a sensible thing to do. The policeman patrolled the street at the night. Now here you can see oxygen has no dash at all. He is the dash to a large estate. It is better to dash a taxi. Churchill was an a dash politician, and dash vessel has nothing in it. So here is the answer. You have to find out the answer. Okay. Now here you can see there are some words, their same meanings and their opposite meaning. Like brittle, synonym, breakable, and antonym, tough. Barrier, synonym, obstacle, and antonym, assistance or link. Baffle, synonym, stunned, antonium, clarify. Barren, synonym, desolate, antonium, dank or fertile. Bawdy, synonyms, erotic, antonium, decent or moral. Bind, synonym, predicament, antonium, release. Batty, synonym, silly and antonium, sane. Callous, synonym, unfeeling, antonium, tender or compassionate. Capable, synonym, able, antonium, incompetent. Calamity, synonym, adversity, antonium, fortune. Calculating, synonym, canny, antonium, artless or honest. Calumny, synonym, aspersion or defamation, antonium, praise. Captivity, synonym, confinement, antonium, freedom or liberty. Captivate, synonym, fascinate, antonium, dissolution, offend. Chaste, synonym, pure, antonium, lustful. Compassion, synonym kindness, antonym cruelty or barbarity. Deceit, synonym artifice, antonym veracity or sincerity. Defray, synonym spend or pay, antonym repudiate. Demolish, synonym devastate, antonym construct or repair. Deliberate, synonym intentional, antonym sudden. Deride, synonym mock, antonym inspired. Deprive, synonym divest or despoil, antonym renew. Okay, in that way. Eloquence, synonym fluency, antonym stammering. Idiom, synonym example, antonym expansion. So here you can take the screenshot and you can read it or revise it, or you can recite it. Here is also some words, their synonyms and their antonyms, like falsy, mistake, truth, falter, stumble, precise, pernicious, cruel, gentle, fable, weak, strong, fierce, strife, harmony, fragile, weak, enduring, corset, desert, hold, gorgeous, dazzling, dull, gather, dull, disgrace, gracious, courteous, rude, gurge, hatred, benevolence or affection, genuine, factual, spurious, generosity, bounty or stinginess, glory, dignity, shame, hamper, prevent, promote, hazard, danger, security, hapless, ill-fated or in antonym lucky, hideous, shocking, alluring or attractive, heretic, non-conformist or secularist, conformable or religious antonyms. So in that way, there are so many words. So in today's lecture, we discuss what is antonym, what is synonyms, what is homonyms, and there today we discuss so many exercise on that. So student, in that way, you have to find out the various words, their synonyms, antonyms, and you have to recite the synonyms and antonyms for your future exams and for your word vocabulary. So in that way, you can increase your vocabulary and you can use this word in your conversation. So guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.